To address the issue, begin by adjusting the compatibility mode settings for the game's executable file. Start by navigating to your desktop, right-clicking on the game's executable file, and selecting Properties. Then, access the Compatibility tab, and if the compatibility mode option is enabled, disable it by unchecking the corresponding box. Apply the changes, launch the game, and check if the issue persists. Next, disable NVIDIA overlay within GeForce Experience. If GeForce Experience is open, access the settings by clicking on the settings icon located at the top right corner. In the settings menu, navigate to the In-Game Overlay section and disable it. Launch the game again to see if the problem is resolved. Additionally, ensure that the Run this program in compatibility mode option is unchecked for all relevant executable files. Navigate to the game's installation folder using File Explorer, locate the game's executable file, and right-click to access its properties. If the compatibility mode option is enabled, disable it. Apply the changes and launch the game. Furthermore, check the Administrator settings for the executable files. Within the game's installation folder, right-click on the game's executable file and select Properties. Navigate to the Compatibility tab and enable the option to run this program as an administrator. Apply the changes and relaunch the game. Repeat this process for all relevant executable files associated with the game. If the issue persists, consider uninstalling and reinstalling League of Legends. Access the control panel via the Windows search box. Locate Programs and Features, and find League of Legends in the list of installed programs. Uninstall the game, restart your computer, and then reinstall League of Legends. Launch the game after the reinstallation process is complete to see if the problem is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue preventing the game from launching successfully. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more content.